India will invest $17 billion to build its first high-speed train system, having reached a deal with Japan to help finance the project. To fund the ambitious Rs 1,10,000 crore project, a loan of Rs 88,000 crore will be taken from Japan. The Japan International Cooperation Agency will fund it at a low rate of interest of 0.1% per annum. This loan has to be repaid to Japan in 50 years, with 15 years grace period. The cost of Ahmedabad-Mumbai high-speed rail project is estimated to be Rs 1,10,000 crore, almost equal to total capital outlay of Indian Railways in 2017. This expenditure for a route which is only 500 kilometers in length could become a burden for state exchequer in the years to come. The project will cost around Rs 1 lakh crore. The cost is officially said to be Rs 97,636 crore, but reports said a Rs 10,000 crore additional cost may be incurred. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video and subscribe my channel to watch daily new videos.